Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video, or should I say a video quick tip today, right? Now, this is something that I use once in a while. I think it's pretty neat, and because this is not an entertainment channel, I'm not gonna, drag along the video for 20 minutes. I'm not gonna do that to you guys. We're gonna keep it short and sweet, right? Now, what's this about? Let's say I have a bunch of objects going on. I got a sphere, and I got this plane, and I got this thing, and I'm working in close quarters, if you will, and I keep on grabbing this guy where I really don't want to because I'm working on this guy, right? Now, there are a couple of ways you can go around doing that. You can select this guy and isolate it, right? You just hit Control 1 to isolate that, hit Control 1 to go back. Another thing you can do is you can go in and hide the object that's bugging you. So you can go in here, hit Control H to hide it. And if you want it back, you go up to Display and Show All. But today we're going to do something else. I'm going to grab this guy and I'm going to right click and go to Actions, which is down here, and I'm going to template it. And you see that the color changes to, I guess it's pink, pinkish, yeah. And now if I select stuff, I can select everything with the exception of that guy, right? It's unselectable. If I hit 5 to go back, you'll see, here it is. See it? There you go, but I can't select it. Pretty neat. Now, let's say I'm done fiddling around with vertices and I want it to be back in its original state. I'm going to go to my outliner, and there should be one item that has a different color, which is polygon pipe 1. That's the leftover of a pipe, yeah? That's the one I want back. I'm going to right click, go to Actions, and Untemplate. And there you have it. That's all there's to it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments. Bye.